Welcome to Accelerated Engineering. My name is John, and today I'm going to answer a whole family of Quora questions related to text case in Excel. There are many questions that ask, how do I convert to uppercase? How do I convert to lowercase? And I haven't found any yet, but how do I convert to kind of a normal punctuation case? And the answer to this is simple. Many people are asking if there are any shortcut keys to do this, and unfortunately inside of Excel there are not. But we do have functions that are able to convert from bizarre capitalization cases, like I've presented here, to something within the realm of normal. For example, we have the function upper, and upper will take any text fed to it and convert it all to uppercase letters. This is the capitalizing function. We also have a function called lower. Lower takes all of the text fed to it and converts it to lowercase. So this would be to remove any capital letters, or the anti-capitalization function. The last function in this family is proper. Proper. And what proper does is it takes any text fed to it and converts it all to lowercase, but makes the first letter of each word into a capital letter. And it does, in fact, do that in all cases. I can type today. If you feed it all capital letters, it puts out the same thing as if you feed it all lowercase letters. Its function is to provide proper capitalization. And that's the answer to this family of questions. If you want to convert from lowercase to capital, you use upper. If you want to convert from capital to lowercase, you use lower. If you want to convert from random stuff to something else, you can use lower or upper or proper. And those are the functions: lower, upper, and proper. Thank you for watching. Please consider liking and subscribing if you found this helpful. Happy excelling!